So, how do you generate AI images for Instagram posts? So, to start off, I've already opened up a website. So, this website is a free AI image generator. And as you can see, you just need to click on the prompt that you want. And you just need to type in, let's say, Christmas themed scenery. And after that, you just need to click on generate. So for now, I don't have any credits. So what would happen is after you hit on the prompt, it would automatically give you an image based on the prompt that you put. So a Christmas theme scenery would probably mean something like this. So that's basically how you generate free AI images. So there are other websites that you can use. So feel free to check them out. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.